Students, it's grammar lecture, and in our previous lecture we discussed about forms of verb. Now we will again discuss forms of verb. As you know, students, every verb has three forms: first form, second form, and third form. And every forms of verb has two types: regular and irregular. How many types? Two types: regular and irregular. Students, firstly we will discuss about regular forms. Here are some examples about regular forms of verb. And students, one more thing, we don't need to learn regular forms of verb. Regular forms of verb are those forms which end at ed. These are regular forms of verb. Like here, look at first word. First word is change. Change means tabdeel karna. Its second and third form is changed, changed. These are ending at ed, that's why these are regular forms of verb. Next, start. Start means shuru karna. Its second and third form started, started. These are also regular forms of verb. Next, wash. Wash means dhona, washed, washed. Its second and third form washed, washed. Now we will discuss about irregular forms of verb. Students, you know what are irregular forms of verb? You know very well, irregular forms of verb are those forms which do not end at ed. These are called irregular forms. Like here are some examples about irregular forms of verb. Here our first word is tell. Tell means batana. Its second and third form is told, told. Next, throw. Throw means fenkna. Its second form is threw and third form is thrown. These are irregular forms of verb because these are not ending at ed. These are different forms. Next, take. Take means lena. Its second form took and third form is taken. These are also irregular forms of verb because these are not ending at ed. These are different forms of verb. That's why these are irregular forms of verb, and we will have to learn irregular forms of verb. Hopefully, students, you got my point. Every verb has three forms: first form, second form, and third form. First form shows present time, while second and third form shows past time. Every verb has three forms. And you know very well what is verb. A verb is that word which shows the action or happening of some work, whether this work is in past or present. And there are two types of forms of verb: regular forms and irregular forms of verb. Regular forms of verb are those forms which end at ed, and irregular forms of verb are those forms which do not end at ed. Now students, you will learn all these regular and irregular forms of verb and their meaning also. Students, you will have to learn their meanings also in order to enhance your vocabulary. Students, you will also learn forms of verb from notes from 11 to 20. These are irregular forms of verb. You will learn from notes forms of verb also.